Hi all, myself P. Anita, Assistant Professor from the Department of IT. In this session, we learn about classes and objects in Java programming. Next, what is an object? An object is a real world entity. Every existence in this world is an object. Each object has attributes or states, behavior, and identity. In the programming concept, an object is a variable of the class. For example, here dog is an object. Dog has an attribute name, color, breed, hungry, and barking, fetching, wagging tail or its behavior. Next, let us see what is class. Class is a collection of similar objects. Class provides a blueprint for which individual objects are created. It provides a template that defines attributes and behavior common to all the objects. Once a class is defined, we create any number of objects. In the programming concept, a class is a user-defined data type. In this example, person is a class. Person 1, person 2 is an object. Both object person 1 and person 2 have an attributes name, height, age and the behavior speak, listen, eat, run, walk. But the value of an attribute and their behavior varies. The attributes of person 1 is and height is 5.4 inch and age 21 is different from the attributes person 2 name Adam, height 5.9 inch and age 24. Sometimes the behavior like person 1 may speak less but person 2 may speak more. Next, let us see how to create a class in Java. A class is a keyword used to create the class. Class name is a variable name that refers to the class name. Class consists of member variables and member methods. Member variable refers to the attributes of an object and member method refers to the behavior of an object. Let us see how to create an object in Java. Class name, variable name equal to new class name. Here variable name is an object and new is an operator that is used to create an object and it allocates memory for an object. Let us see the practical implementation of how to create class and object in Java. Let the problem definition be create a class person with attribute register number and name and two methods to set the value for those attributes and display the value of that attribute. And next create an object for that person class and call the appropriate method to display the register number and the name. File, new, Java project and giving the project 1 as a name for project name and just click next and then click finish. In this project 1, I am going to create a class. So click class, I am giving demo test. It's your wish to give any class name. Since it is a this class should have a main method, I am checking public static void main. This is the structure of your Java program. Every Java program have this structure. Even this main method should be present inside a class so that JVM enters the program through this main method. Here static is a keyword that is used to access the main method without creating an object for this demo class. And public is a keyword that is used to make that this main method should be visible to the JVM. So in order to create a class, have to use the keyword class. Class person is a class name and the class consists of member variables and member method. Here register in register number and name, string name. Either I can write the member method by myself to set the register number and name value, or I can use the getter setter method. By default the system can set. Right click, go to source and just click generate getter and setter methods and just check these boxes you will get this. This set reg and set name method sets the value for register number and name. Get reg and get name returns the value that is present in the register and the name. Since I have created one class, I can create any number of objects. So how to create an object? The syntax is class name, and object name I am giving p1 equal to new class name. To set the value for it, I have to access the set method. So, using an object I have created, I can set it p1 dot set. I am setting the name as Arjun for the object p1, and to set the register number, object name dot set set name, set register number. So I am giving as 12. So using the set name and set register method, I guess I have set the value for register number and name for the object p1. Have to retrieve these values, so I have to use corresponding get register number and get name method. So in order to display, we use system.out.println method. And inside this, since I want to display the register number first, I am writing reg is, I can use colon, plus p1 dot, I am getting get register number, and I need to display println. I need to display the name also. So in order to display the name, have to use get name method. That's it. So the JVM enters to this main method. It creates an object and sets the value for the attributes, and we can display the value of that attribute of that particular object. Here class is like user defined data type. Once class is defined, I can create any number of objects that have common attributes and behavior. Let us run this program. Yeah, we get register number. Since here I need to change to name, since I have to display the name, and again I am running this program, getting register number and name. Thank you.